grammar and syntax. First of all, we've been knew that grammar is the rule of language, and syntax is a group of words that have at least subject and verb that is complete in meaning. Now I'm going to explain about grammar first. Grammar is a rule of language that usually considered to consist of syntax and morphology. It is the system of language. Grammar is also probably familiar to most students who use the term structure in a similar way. The process of describing the structure of phrases and sentences and rule out all the ungrammatical sequences is one way of defining grammar. From this example, girls the beautiful, beautiful girls the beautiful girls. We all can see that English has strict rule for combining words into phrases. From these three sentences, the correct one is the beautiful girls. Why is that? Because the article the must go before the adjective beautiful, which must go before the noun girls. So that to be grammatical, this phrase must have the sequences article plus adjective plus noun. Now let's talk about syntax. Grammar, syntax, and morphology are related. It's good that the terms relate to different aspects of language system. So we can conclude that grammar is often used as superordinate, while syntax and morphology are members of the category. Now let's move to sentence. From the last one, we can see that sentence means a group of words that has subject and verb. Now I'm going to explain more about sentence. Look at this example. Would you like a cup of coffee? Yes, please. I'm late, aren't I? Only a little. These replies are not sentences. Why is that? Because this doesn't have subject or verb. However, this functions as sentence. Now it's evidently proven that spoken English lack grammatically, but they are meaningful and correct. Sentence components and the parts of speech. Sentence components, words can be combined to form phrases and clauses into sentences. To be able to identify the components of sentences, it is important and useful. There are two main areas involved in the identification of these sentence components. First, the word level. Individual words belong to different word classes. And the second one is sentence element. By combining the word to perform a certain function in a sentence. The part of speech is also useful for sentence components. There are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, determiner, and conjunction. From the example, a little girl found a wallet in the store and she keeps it carefully. In these sentences, it all has the parts of speech. Agreement, labeled, and bracket sentences. Agreement based on grammatical number can be occur between verb and subject. Look at this example. Bam Bam loves his cat. We say that the verb loves or agree with the noun. Labeled and bracket sentences. It is shown how the consequence in sentence structure can be marked off by using labeled brackets. The cat loved the boy. In conclusion, grammar is a broad term about the rules of language, which is morphology, the grammar of words, and syntax, the grammar of sentence. And sentence is a group of words which have subject and verb and begins with a capital letters, ends with full stop. That's all from me. I'm sorry if I made a mistake, and I'm sorry if my pronunciation is bad. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.